Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this AxisVM training course. The topic for today will be the drawings library. So if you remember in our previous lesson, we spoke about how to save drawings to this library. Now the idea is to check how to access this library and what is possible to do with it. So save drawings to the library, it's this icon here, and to load the dialog box that manages the library is done through this icon. Okay, we get this dialog box. So we've saved previously a couple of as we've seen, load combination, load cases, whatever. Okay, we've chose a couple of things. It's not very important what they are and what they do. It's important that they are saved here. So we have a couple of entries. So if we go through these entries, you see that each one of them has different information inside. This library of drawings, they are not only saved pictures, but also instructions on how to draw a view of the model or parts of it, including these multi-view settings. And this purpose is because the drawings can be reloaded to restore the saved view and all the display settings. So we have this case here, but we can go to one of these guys and simply click, and the model will be reloaded with all the information. Okay, so this is one of the purpose. The other purpose is to have these images and include them with settings that the user can define. Include these images in reports, and we will have the opportunity to see better after complete calculation done to create the report with all the configurations. So we will have videos about that also. So be okay with that information. Inside here, we can have some management out of this. We can have the management done through the function that allows us to delete some entries that we may reconsider. We can load some of these entries clicking twice or doing OK or through the icon here. We can manage also some graphic symbols through this function, and this display of graphic symbols can be done through the choice of the entry. So we can explore a little more about this, but for the moment I would not say that much important. And we can export also some of these, I would say, models simply to 3D PDF, and it's a format that currently is appearing a lot in some applications, so we can have also this possibility to do this export. So I hope these explanations about this drawing library were clear enough for you. Anyway, any support that you may need, so we are here to give you all the help.